gosh! So I thought I could take you along with me today. I'm just gonna go shopping to the store. It'll be a quick little trip. I'm dressed up a little nice because French people like to dress, so I won't stick out like a sore thumb. All right, let's go to the store. And here's the fancy car we're going in. We love this thing, it's so much fun. It's really economical too. Oh yeah. It's a really tiny car, but inside it feels so large. My son loves it. He'll stand up here. He can stand up without hitting his head. There's a lot of space. To the store we go. You know what? I forgot to bring shopping bags. I do that all the time. I know I said this last time, but thanks everybody for subscribing. It means a lot. You know, it's not easy being in a new country, trying to figure out a new way of life. In France, we're still learning everything. The language, I speak French pretty well. Anything technical or that gets too specific, I still need to learn. So I have this general level of French where I can talk pretty well with day-to-day life and things. I can get by just fine. A lot of people would be fooled to think that I am French at times. But that's not the case. I'm very much American, and I'm still learning everything about this country. I've never lived here before. You know, we just moved over a couple years ago, so everything's brand new. I did start a job. I am working as a real estate agent for Leggett Immobilier. Great company so far. You know, it's difficult getting started because I don't know anybody here. But real estate is something I've always been interested in. I've always loved looking at houses. I would always browse online even when we weren't shopping for houses, just checking houses out in places. I'm not trying to diminish real estate agents, saying that all you need to do is to be interested in houses, to sell houses. There are a lot of other reasons why I feel like this is a good job for me. I always wanted to find a job where I could take that creative side and utilize it and make videos in my job. So I'm excited to see if this will work. I want to make these videos to show you life here in France, like driving to the grocery store and going shopping. And here we are. It's just a little grocery store. This isn't a chain or anything. This is a gourmet store that just opened up recently, and the owners are really great. They're really nice. It's a husband and wife opened this place. They have very good quality foods, very fresh. So that's why I like to come here. Let's go inside and hopefully they'll let me film. If not, I'll just tell you about it afterwards. Take a look at all the fresh produce they have here. They keep it well stocked. The last time I came by, I picked up some peaches, which I don't think they're in season right now, but they were the best peaches I've ever had. Over here, they've got a variety of candies and nuts. Here's some more nuts. And now let me show you what I'm sure you're all waiting for, the cheese selection. Cheese, and these guys know all about the cheese. I mean, everything. If you have any questions about it, they're just great. I had a few allergen questions. I needed like cheeses that didn't have too much raw milk, and they knew everything right away. And here's the Comté cheese. It's from this region, and they've got some fresh meats. It's one thing that I love to come here for, is for the meats. Really good arancini they get from Italy. Voilà. Ah ouais, super. And then they've got all this fresh pasta. And then back here, of course, another thing that France is well known for is their wine, and they've got some very nice wine here. Local wines from other regions of France. And they've got a nice little selection of Italian wine as well. So I do love Italian food, and this gourmet store has a nice little selection of Italian options. Any French people out there that are watching this, I'm sorry. I love French food too, don't worry. I eat a lot of French food, but every once in a while, I can't say no to some Italian. So I better hurry up and finish up my shopping here. Ok, je suis prêt pour les steaks de poulet. Je peux te filmer là, ça va? Oui. Alors, 6, s'il te plaît, je pense que ouais, ils sont une bonne taille. D'accord. Ah ouais, super. Parfait.
6 aussi alors, hein?
6, oui. Ah ouais, ils sont très gros. Ah, c'est bien. On en aura pour demain.
C'est les mêmes cuisses, la désossée.
D'accord.
La cuisse que vous aviez prise.
Ah oui, ok. Ah, c'est gentil que vous avez fait ça. Très gentil.
Bon, c'est normal. Vous me direz.
D'accord.
S'il faut mettre plus ou moins de marinade.
D'accord.
C'est qui dose. Enfin,
Ok.
il a fait les doses prescrites, mais si vous voulez me dire vous en voulez plus, moins,
Ok.
on
D'accord.
attend vos conseils. Votre ressenti.
Oui, pour moi, tant qu'il fait beau, il pleut pas, il n'y a pas de vent, je vais me faire le barbecue, même si...
Bah oui. Oh là, c'est un beau temps là.
Oui.
Bon, faut le faire de bonne heure maintenant le soir. Hein.
Oui.
Il vous faut autre chose?
Non, c'est tout.
Merci.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci.
À bientôt.
À bientôt, bon après-midi.
Merci, vous aussi, au revoir.
Merci.
Isn't she so nice? So she's one of the owners here, so that's why I keep coming back. It's customer service and quality foods. Petit pois, carottes. Get a couple of those for tonight, and we'll just make some rice.
31,39 €.
D'accord, c'est par carte s'il vous plaît. Non merci.
C'est tout bon. Merci.
Merci, au revoir, bonne journée.
Au revoir, à vous tous.
As I was talking to the owner, she said I could leave my business cards up front, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I just went and grabbed a stack, and I'm gonna drop them in the front here once I put my shopping cart back. And let's just drop them right. There we go. Right there. Cool. Let's go pick up my son from school. Should be getting out pretty soon. So we were talking a bit, and I mentioned that I could come back sometime and film their store and interview them. Do like a little advertisement for them since they're a news store too, and support and promote the places that I like. And I love their store. I like to go there, so I think it would be awesome to make a little video of their store and interview them. All right, we are moving now. I'm flooring it. The pedal is literally to the plastic floor. They do a really good job around here with all the flowers and the greenery. This is the town of Montbéliard, by the way. It's a 4-flower town. Every town in France can enter this competition, from what I understand. Basically a national competition for greenery, flowers, outdoor living spaces, just how nice the town is presented and flowered, so that's why they award them flowers. This town got 4 flowers, which is the highest award you can get. And on top of that, this year it won like the golden flower. And I think that's what it is. And there were only 9 towns and villages in all of France that got that award. So Montbéliard was one of those 9. So, I mean, it's top 10 in all of France.
Hi, my name's Carter. And his name's Carl. And if you've already seen his videos, you know him.
That's right. So did you have a good time at school?
Oh yeah, it was
Yeah?
nice. And we didn't do any work.
You didn't do any
It was
work?
like a dream come true.
Oh yeah?
We just did some inking. That's why I got this.
Mm-hmm.
If you can see
Oh,
it.
yeah. So do you like your school?
Oh, I love it. Yeah, I love it.
Well, that's good. It's an important thing, right? So what do you like about it? You like French school? Kids are nice?
Yeah, kids are great.
Yeah.
Yeah, kids are nice. Kids are fun.
And you're learning French faster and faster?
Oh yeah. And the cool thing about this place is it has a music building where you can try out music stuff for free. Any instrument, trumpets, drums, acting.
Acting, yeah, you can do acting. You should be an actor.
Oh yeah. Well, maybe.
Maybe.
I lose it sometimes.
We'll see. You lose it. What do you mean?
Like sometimes I lose the acting.
Oh.
Now should we take a look around?
Should we take a look around? Let's take a look around. Driving down this cute little road. Another one of the many things that I love about this town. There's a bunch of these cute little roads that are perfect for exploring.
And the cool thing about it is that you're not the only person here that has a tiny, tiny car. It's very popular, I guess, here.
These tiny cars, yeah, there's a lot of them. It's so bright.
Yeah.
The sun. They're right in my eyes.
Yeah,
Carter, what are we gonna do? We're gonna crash. We're gonna crash. Oh man.
Oh, this is a good place to film.
Yeah. Okay, we're driving down one of my favorite streets in town because the view here is amazing. Okay, these houses here have a really nice view. See, there's one for sale right there. And then here, I'll slow down here. Yeah, nice view of the whole town and the valley. Hopefully you guys can see that. Oh my gosh.
That was a big bump, wasn't it, guys?
Yeah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy this little video, and I'll try to make more of them.
Yeah.
So-
He's gonna be a millionaire if you guys subscribe. No, I'm kidding.
I hope so. Let's hope. Let's
Yeah,
hope so.
let's hope.
No, but
Hope for hope.
if you enjoyed this kind of video, I'm going to put out a lot more so you can see what life in France is like and what daily life, what it's like living in France.
Can you just say that?
I can edit it out. So you can see what life is like in France. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. See you again soon. Bye.